Made money in your Fidelity account and ready to cash out, but not sure on how to transfer your money into your bank? You've come to the right video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Whether you're using Fidelity for your retirement accounts, brokerage accounts, or you just opened your first account, in this video I'll go over exactly how you can withdraw money from your Fidelity account into your bank step by step, and it's a lot easier than you think. This tutorial is for anyone looking to move their money out of Fidelity easily and safely. I'll show you how to withdraw from your bank, go over how long it takes, and go over a few crucial tips that many beginners make when they're withdrawing so you can avoid them. So make sure you watch until the end of this video. So the first step you want to take is go into your Fidelity account. Once you're inside, you're going to click on transact at the bottom middle here. And once you see this screen, you're going to click on transfer. Once you get to this page, you're going to see your from, to, frequency, and amount. So let's go through this step by step. First is from. You're going to choose the account that you're transferring out money from. So let's say it's your regular brokerage account. So you're going to select that. Next, you're going to select to, which is the account you're transferring money out to, which is your bank account. So select that. Once you select that, you're going to see the date and the frequency just once on this specific date, and you're going to put in your amount. So for today's example, let's say I'm transferring out $100. Once you've done that, you're going to click review. So you're going to see the last review page. So you are transferring $100 from your individual brokerage to your bank account on this specific date. And all you have to do is click submit. And that's it. Now, like I promised earlier, let's go over a few crucial tips that most beginners make that you should avoid. First, you do not want to withdraw from unsettled trades. You need to wait until the trade settles. Two, if you're under 59 and a half and you're withdrawing from a retirement account such as a Roth IRA, which ideally you shouldn't be doing, make sure you know that there are withdrawal penalties on any gains that you've made. Third, there are weekend and holiday delay processing, so keep that in mind. And that's it. You now know how to transfer out money from your Fidelity account into your bank account. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I make investing and finance easy. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Also, make sure you drop a comment on which video you would like to see next. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. Make sure you check out some of my other videos, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.